How to activate Lowe's credit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Lowe's credit card online. For this, open up any web browser and search for lowes.com/activate. Then press enter. This is going to take you to this web page. Here, you first of all have to access your account. For that, enter your user ID. Then you want to enter your password. You can check this box if you want the user ID to be remembered. Once you have entered all the details, you want to click on the Secure Login option. If all the details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. If you have forgotten your user ID, click on this link. Click on Password if you have forgotten your password. If you are new, you want to click on the Register option to create your account. Now, once you have logged into your account, from the menu option, you want to select Activate, then follow the on-screen prompts, enter your card information in order to activate your credit card for Lowes.com. Once your card has been activated, you will receive a confirmation via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.